Earnin App Review 2026. Is Earnin real or fake? Full review. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the Earnin app. Is it real or fake? How does it work? Is it safe to use? And who can actually qualify? Stay with me until the end, because I'll cover everything you need to know before using. Earnin. What is Earnin? Earnin is a financial app that gives eligible users access to a portion of the wages they've already earned before their official payday. It is an Earned Wage Access (EWA) app, not a traditional personal loan app, instead of borrowing money for months or years. Earnin lets eligible workers access part of the income they've already earned. How does Earnin work? Here's how it works. Download the Earnin app. Create an account. Connect your bank account. Verify your employment and income. If you're eligible, you can access part of your earned wages before payday. When your paycheck arrives, the amount you received is automatically repaid from your linked bank account. Main features: early access to earned wages, balance shield to help avoid overdrafts, credit monitoring tools, lightning speed transfers for faster funding, fees may apply, simple and user-friendly interface. Pros: no traditional loan required, no mandatory interest charges, no traditional credit check for the wage access feature, fast access to earned income. Easy-to-use mobile app. Cons: available only to eligible users, mainly designed for workers in the United States. Eligibility depends on employment and income verification. Instant transfers may include an optional fee. Is Earnin real or fake? The answer is real. Earnin is a legitimate financial technology company. It has millions of users in the United States and has been operating for several years. However, remember that Earnin is not a personal loan app. It only allows eligible users to access wages they have already earned. Who should use Earnin? Earnin may be helpful if you have a regular paycheck, you need money before payday for an emergency, you want an alternative to payday loans. Final verdict: overall, Earnin is a legitimate and trusted earned wage access app. If you qualify, it can be a useful option for accessing part of your earned income before payday. Always read the app's terms, eligibility requirements, and any applicable fees before using it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more honest app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.